Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing a first impression review of this hair tool. It's called the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So basically what it is that it is a hair dryer with a round brush, and it's supposed to dry your hair and give you a blowout at the same time. Some settings right here. So it has a cool setting, a low setting, and a high setting. So this is the box that it comes in, and let me just quickly read out to you guys what it says. So it says less heat related damage, for fast, silky, smooth, shiny results. It has a ceramic coating and tangle free brush. Yeah, and I believe it retails for about $50 to $60 Canadian. So yeah, if this works on my hair, it could be a game changer for me because I do not have time to do my hair. I'm super busy and I have a 5-month-old to take care of, so I just do not have time. Alright you guys, so I'll leave all the details of this product down in my description box if you guys are interested in getting this. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. I'm gonna go wash my hair and come back. Guys, check out the results. I'm absolutely in love with this product and I highly recommend it. Normally if I were to do a blowout, it would take me about 20 minutes, but this literally took me 6 minutes to do my entire head. Yeah. So that's it for my video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!